I'm Dr. Eve McDonald-Madden. I'm a quantitative ecologist and an ARC research fellow from the Centre for Excellence in Environmental Decisions. And I spend my time calculating optimal strategies for the management of threatened species. We don't necessarily need more information to make good decisions for the management of threatened species. What we need is approaches for helping us use that information that we already have to make better conservation decisions. One of the biggest risks to our threatened species is climate change. It's predicted to be a threat to about 40% of species worldwide. And one of the approaches to dealing with climate change is to not only make prioritisation decisions, but to think about how we can adaptively manage our systems and learn while we're managing. This is a huge drive for me, this benefit to our environment worldwide. I'm also really intrigued by the use of maths and numbers to solve complex problems, and problems are exceptionally complex when we're dealing with environment. Mathematics is a way of helping us turn our mental models into a formula that we can use to help us make better decisions. I've used these approaches to look at how we should best manage the Sumatran tiger when it's being threatened by poaching. I've also used very simple approaches to look at how we should report on environmental outcomes in Australia. Being a research scientist is a wonderful career. Essentially, you have space to be creative, to think, to explore. Basically, I feel like I get paid to think, which is pretty amazing. Every year I travel to France and to the USA, and I've even travelled to Africa to work on some of these complex environmental problems. I enjoy the fact that my work is useful and is grounded in the realities of what we need to know to make good decisions for our environment. The environment is not just a beautiful place to be, it's our source of food, fibre and energy. It essentially supports our way of life. And it's really important to me that we preserve this way of life and this environment for our future generations.